Stop. If you're thinking about buying BookMint, there's something you need to know first. Because BookMint claims that it is a world's first fully autonomous publishing agent that can replace your entire Amazon workflow. So here's the million-dollar question. Can BookMint really replace an entire publishing team with a single AI agent, or is it just another overhyped AI software making impossible promises? So, I'm going to show you exactly what's inside, how it works, the biggest pros and cons, whether it's actually worth buying, and I'll also give you my exclusive $599 bonus package if you decide to pick it up through my link. What is BookMint? BookMint is the world's first fully autonomous Amazon publishing AI agent. It researches profitable niches, writes complete manuscripts, designs professional covers, narrates audiobooks in 80+ languages, formats everything perfectly, and publishes directly to Kindle, print on demand, and Audible, all at the press of a button. Benefits: why people are interested? Tap into Amazon's $100 billion publishing goldmine. Publish Kindle books, paperbacks, and audiobooks simultaneously. No writing, no recording, no outsourcing costs. Built-in traffic from Amazon's 310M buyers. 100% passive royalties, no monthly fees, no tech skills needed. Inside BookMint, you are getting AI niche research engine that finds hidden profit niches. Full manuscript creation, 10,000+ words, in seconds. Professional cover designer built in. Studio quality AI voice narration for audiobooks. Metadata optimizer to rank your books on page 1. One-click publishing directly to KDP and Audible. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real. Pros: automation, handles research, writing, covers, formatting, narration, and publishing in one workflow. One-time pricing, no monthly fees during launch. Multi-format publishing, Kindle, paperback, and audiobooks from one project. Beginner-friendly, simple interface lowers technical barriers. Cons: content review, AI drafts still need editing and fact-checking. No guaranteed sales, success depends on niche, quality, competition, and demand. Consistency required, automation saves time, but building a publishing business still takes effort and improvement. Results: what to expect. BookMint is built to publish faster and cut manual work. Beginners, simplifies the entire workflow into one platform. Experienced publishers, saves time on formatting, covers, and repetitive tasks. Freelancers, adds a new service to offer clients. Entrepreneurs, scale catalogs across niches and formats more efficiently. Your actual results depend on ideas, optimization, competition, and consistency. No tool can guarantee income, but BookMint makes the process dramatically easier. When you grab BookMint through my link today, you'll also get Bonus 1, Bestseller Keyword Vault, value $299, my private list of high-demand, low-competition keywords to rank your books faster. Bonus 2, Royalty Maximizer Blueprint, value $300, a step-by-step guide to scaling your BookMint catalog into a full publishing empire. Total bonus value, $599, yours free when you get BookMint today. So, is BookMint AI worth it? Absolutely. For less than the price of dinner, you're getting a fully autonomous publishing agent that can create, format, narrate, and publish books across Amazon's entire ecosystem. BookMint isn't just worth it, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So, click the link below, secure your copy of BookMint, and claim your $599 bonus package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.